This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः वैशाख शुद्ध चतुर्थी दिनांक 25 जून 2020 सहस्रयोग पृष्ठ 51 दार्वी बलादिगुप्त शंखं चक्रं जलौघां दशतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्परेच्छत् सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। दार्वी बला गोक्षर कृष्णिकर्णी मयूरिका कौटजवल्कलैश्च क्षीरपर्वालं च तथा कठिल्लम् उत्पात्य सोयेष्टम् अशेषितेऽस्मिन् कृतं पचेत् क्षीरयुतं सुपिष्टं कल्पयेत् इमैः चन्दनदीप्यकुष्ठैः अभिरुयष्टिजलपञ्चकोलैः श्यामास्तिराश्रीफलदारुविश्वैः काश्मीरतिक्ताञ्जनतोयदैश्च व्याघ्रीपयस्यादिविशालवङ्गैः चाङ्गैरिकायाश्च रसेन मिश्रणं त्रायन्तिकायाश्च सुसिद्धमेतत् निःश्रव्यमाणं विधिवत् विहन्यात् गुदाङ्कुरान् दत्तभवान् क्षणेन तर्हि पाठः तावत् बृहत्पाठः उत्पाद्य तर्हि दार्वी इत्यादीनां पाठः करणीयः तस्मिन् अष्टमशेषिते क्षीरयुक्तं सुपिष्टं कल्कैः इदं कल्कद्रव्याणि बहूनि वर्तन्ते कृतं पचेत् फलश्रुतिः तावत् केवलं गुदाङ्कुरान् दत्तभवान् क्षणेन जीवन्यात् एतादृशी एव so I don't know whether this is available in the market Darvi Veladi but Sravi Arsha is the only फलश्रुति चंदन दीप्य काजमोदा कुष्ठ अभीरु शतावरी यष्टि जलवालक पंचकोल श्यामा स्थिरा श्रीफल बिल्व दारु देवदारु विश्व काश्मर्य तिक्ता कटुपुरोहिणी अंजन रसांगन तोयद मुस्त व्याघ्री कंटकारी पयस्या विदारी अतिविशाल लवंग 1 तोला ईच गोघृतवन आढक दारवी दारू हरिद्रा बला गोक्षर पुष्टिपर्णी मयूरिका अपामार्ग पुटज वल्कल शीरी पल्लव कठिल्लक पुनर्नवा कठिल्लक इज पुनर्नवा अष्टमांस कषाय अष्टमांश कषाय क्षीर चांगेरी स्वरसवन आढक त्रायंतिका स्वरस The Kshira with Changeri Swarasa again. And there are many Katurasatmaka and Pachana Dravyas along with Tiktarasatmaka Dravyas as well. And prepare Gurta with the above drugs, Kalpasneha and Dravadravya taken in specified quantity. Raktarshas. I don't know whether this is available in the market. And Parashruti is only Raktarsha. This is also a little strange. No other disease. Patha Karanjadi Gruta. Patha Karanja Yugmagni Sharapunkaushadhambudam. Chinchamula Pravalasya Kautakasya Chamarkanam. Krishnamulam Yavasancha Kamathaitva Tutadrasya. Patha Karanja Yugmagni. Patha Karanja Yugmagni Sharapunkaushadhambudam. This is quite clumsy. Chinchamula प्रवालस्य कौटजस्य च वर्कलम् कृष्णामूलं यवासं क्वच कत्वाथयित्वा तु तद्रसे घृतम् आर्द्रकचाङ्गेरीरस तक्रपयोन्मितम्. So takra and dugdha and changeri rasa, these are commonly being used together. Siddhan kalkaihi imaihi yashti bhangi कट्वंग वत्सकैः हिंगु प्रतिविषा व्योष बला बिल्व सुरद्रुमैः एला लवंग मृद्वीका दीप्य सिंधुत्त जीरकैः कोलचंदन धान्यैश्च सर्वातिसार नाशनम्. फलश्रुति again is very restricted. सर्वातिसार नाशनम्. पाठा करंज युग्म अग्नि शरपुंखा औषध is शुंठी अम्बुद is मुस्ता चिंचामूल प्रवालस्य कौटजस्य च वर्कलम्. प्रवालस्य Kautaja Valkala we can understand the bark of the external bark of the Kautaja. But Pravala, we have to see what the translation has been done. We have read up to Bastyamayantaka Gurtam already last time. Bastyamayantaka is after this. I don't remember anyway. But anyway, we go fast. Yeah, Bastyamayantaka we read. That is true. Okay. We are at 53. Okay, Trikantaka Gruta. Vatho Trikantakaila Girijatushi Girija Bheda Yashti Varinam Darbhang Draksham Bhukshaundi Vasuka Vashira Kashekshu Matsyakshikanam Kalkaihi Siddham Dugdham Siddham Sadugdham Haratigratamidam Sevitam Mutra Dosha Mehan Kruchrani Sarvani Anilam Apitatha Sharkaram Ashmarim Sharkaram Ashmarim Cha. This is also a bit difficult. Trikantaka Ela Girijatu Shilajatu Girija Bheda. Shilajatu Girija Bheda Pashana Bheda. Girija Bheda or Girija. Okay. Yashti Varinam Yashti and शतावरी एतेषां क्वाथः करणीयः and darbha draksha ambu is musta shondi is pippali moola vasuka vashira apamarga vashira is apamarga वशिर पाषाण भेद आहे ना मला वाटतं कास इक्षु मत्स्याक्षी कल्कये सिद्धं सदुग्धं हरति घृतमिदं सेवितं मूत्रदोषान् देहान् कृष्णानि सर्वाणि अनिलमपि तथा शर्कराम् अश्मदीं च. So this is having less contents as compared to Baslyamaya Vivrita. And Palashruti is almost the same. I mean, Vata Shamaka. So whether this is Trikantaka Vrita is available. शतावर्यादि घृत मला शतावर्याः स्वदंष्ट्रायाः स्वरस्य आढकं पृथक् कृतं प्रस्थद्वयं क्षीरे द्विगुणे पचयेत् विपचयेत् इमैः. So Shatavari and Gokshura. Vidari Chandana Tuga Mridvika Madhyashtibihi Kasherukervaru Bijam Tutti Adrija Kanotpalaihi Padma Pattura Mustaischa Kapolyadi Ganenacha Siddham Sushitale Tasmin Vrtardhan Badhunikshipet Madhvardhan Sharkara Churnam Chitvom Madhyam Nidhapaye Nihanti Mutra Kushrani Mutra Doshauscha Sharkaram. Previously it was available, not now. Okay. And now Shatavaryadi is, I suppose, available in the form of a leha because this is Madhu and Sharkara added to that. Vidari Chandana Tunga Murdvika Madhuyashti Kasheruka Ervaru Bija Truti is Ela. There is Tuti actually. Madhuyash Adrija Shilajatu Kana Pipali Uttala Padma Pattura Musta Kakol Dadi Gana Dravya. वृत्त दोन प्रस्थ शतावरी स्वरस स्वदाष्ट्रास्वरस गोक्षीर prepare with above drugs and after the preparation of Ghrita add honey, half of the quantity of the Ghrita and also 1/4 quantity of sugar and then preserve. Mutra Kurchra Mutra Dosha Sharkara. Mutra Doshamscha Sharkara. कशेरुक म्हणजे काय घ्यावं शिंगाडा. There is Shungataka word for that. Kaseru is Kasheru only. Available by the name Kasheru itself. So anyway, this seems to be a good Ghrita, particularly in Vata Pitta Pradhanya and Dokshara Shatavari. These are the main dravyas. And even Jivaniya Gan is there, Kakolyadi. So this might be tried actually in bladder cancers. Shipon Madhya Nidhapaya, this is something strange what to do, that meaning and such. I think Shatavari is available. So we may try to use that. Akulyadi Grupa. You have already used in CA patients. Okay. So let us think about this. Akuli bija kataka paranti moola ratrivi mehari moola malaka padra kimshika valkalehi वृश्चि वांशु मती द्वंद्व गोक्षरे क्वथिते जले सिद्धम सुदुग्धम सुघृतम शतावर्याज्य कल्कवत् शर्करा सहितं चेतत् सेवनान् मेहनाशनम् अकुली बीज कतक पारंती मूल रात्रिभिः मेहारी मूल आमलक भद्र किंशक वल्कलैः वृश्चिवांशुमती द्वंद्व गोक्षरे क्वथिते जले सिद्धं सुदुग्धं सुकृतं शतावर्याज्य कल्कवत् शतावर्याज्य कल्कवत् शर्करा सहितं चेतत् सेवनान् मेहनाशनम्. The only Falashruti is mehanashana, and it is to be given with Sharkara. That is yet another important aspect. So let us see. Shatavari Gruta Akuli Bija Kasamarga Kataka Paranti Iksora Lim Ratri Haridra Mehari Mula Saptarangi Amalaka Bhadra Devadaru Kyumshuka Valkala वृश्चिवांशुमती द्वंद्व श्वेत पुनर्नवा रक्त पुनर्नवा शालिपर्णी कृष्णीकरण ओक्षर कषाय 1 part ओक्षीर 2 parts prepared with the above drugs with kalka sneha darodavya all types of prameha. So in blood cancer what medicine to be given? Very difficult. Sharkara as व्याधि और अनुपान व्याधि व्याधि You are referring to Shatkara. शर्करा सहितं चैतत् सेवनान् मेहनाशनम्. But Sharkara Sahitam is there are two things. Shatavari Ajya Kalkavat. Ajya is Ghruta. So this is rather strange. Ajya is not used as a Kalka as such. Sharkara Sahitam Chetat. And when it is mixed with Sharkara, then it is Mehanashana. Ektat Sharkara Sahitam Mehanashanam, this is not possible really. Sharkara Sahitam Meham Nashayat, that would have been Sharkara and with Meha. But Sharkara Sahitam is the Visheshana of Ghruta itself. Shakara is Sahayogi Dravya, not really Anupana as such. Akula Bija Churna is available and used in Prameha. Avira Bija Churna. Okay. Then व्यानवायू आणि अपानवायू दोषीमुळे प्रमेह अत्यधिक मूत्र प्रवृत्ती आणि शुक्र रोग सांगितले आहे. इथे शुक्र रोग म्हणजे शुक्र रोग, स्वप्न दोष आणि प्रमेह प्रीमॅच्युअर इजॅक्युलेशन असे घ्यावे का? व्हेरी शुक्र रोग. तुमच्याकडे शुक्र रोग आलाय का? शर्करा सहितांच्या इथं शतावरी घृताची कल्कद्रव्य घ्यावी असे आहे का? अकुली बीज कतक पारंती मूल रात्री मेहा ककले द्वंद्व गोक्षरे क्वचिते जले सिद्धं सुदुग्धं तु घृतं शतावर्याज्य कल्कवत्. शतावर्याज्य कल्कवत्. ये पॉसिबल है. दिस इज पॉसिबल दैट whatever have been said in Shatavari Gruta, the Kalka Dravya from that to be taken. Then the meaning will totally change. Where is Shukra dosha? There is no mention of Shukra dosha as such. Only Falashruti is Meha Nashana. So, Kalkadravya is only Shatavari he has taken. But if it is Shatavrajaj Kalkavat, then it's better to take Shatavragutachi Kalkadravya. That's a better thing to do. And these to be actually bija Kasamartha. This is to be taken as Vatadravya and Gokshira. So in all types of Prameha. So this Gruta is not available, I suppose. Akulyadi Gruta. And from where you are mentioning Shukra dosha, that I don't understand. Dhanvantari Gruta. दशमूल षठी दंती सुरामाद्रि पुनर्नवम मूलम स्मोह्यर्कयोः पथ्या भूकंदम अरुष्करम भूकदंबम अरुष्करम करंजवर्ण मूलान् वरुणान् मूलम पिप्पल्याः पौष्करञ्चेत् पृथक् दशफलं प्रस्थान् एव कोल कुदत्ततः सर्वाष्टगुणिते त्वये विपचेत् पादवर्तिनो तेन द्विपली चव्य वचानिचुल रोहिषैः त्रिवृत् विडंग कंपिल्ल भारंगी विश्वैश्च साधे कृतं प्रस्थं जयेत् सर्वान् प्रमेहान् पिटकाचितान् पाण्डुविदग्धि गुल्मार्शो शोष श्रोफ दरोदरान् श्वासं कासं कृमिं वृद्धिं लिहानं वातशोणितम् पुष्ठोन्मादौ अपस्मारं धान्वन्तरमिदं स्मृतम्. प्रमेहास्तु ज्ञानापान प्रकोपजाः. अमृतमेहारी चूर्ण. What is अमृतमेहारी चूर्ण? व्यानापान प्रकोप शुक्र दोष. Rather difficult to say whether it has some connection with Shukra dosha as such. When there is a heredity, Anushikata, then we have to think of Shukra dosha as such. And as such, it can be carried forward to the next generation. So therein we can say about Shukra dosha. But in the Falashruti, there is no mention of Shukra dosha as such. So we may have to think about this. Amruta Mehari Churna. This is available, Amruta Mehari. This Dhanvantara Gruta, whether it is, yes, Amruta Mehari Churna is available. Okay. Is as such Virechaka. Danti Moolam Snuhi Arkayoho. Then Sevrut Kampilla. There are so many drugs. Sarvan Pramehan Pitakachitan. So this is peculiarly useful for Prameha with Pitaka. Pandu Vidrati Gulmarsho, Shofa, Shosha Shofa, Garodaran, Shwasan Kasam Krumim Vruddhim Klihanam Vata Shonita. There is Vata Shonita as well. Kushton Madhav, Apasmaram. So this is विरेचन है तो पित्तज प्रमेह में हाँ शायद लेकिन what I feel right now it is apatarpana kind of dhruta. So पिप्पली द्विपिप्पली चव्य वचा निचुल भूपदंब रोहिष रोहिषगवत तृणपंचमो त्रिवृत विडंग कंपिल्ल भारंगी विश्व वनफल इच्छ गोघृत वनप्रस्थ दशमूल षठी दंती सुराभान द्विपुनर्नवा स्नुही मूल अर्कमूल पथ्या हरितकी भूकदंब अरुष्कर भल्लातक करंज वर्णमूल पिप्पली पुष्कर मूल यवकोल कुलत्थ is quite Ushna Tikshna. Prepare Kashaya by adding 8 times water and reduce to 1/4 by boiling. Prepare Gutta with the above drugs, Palka and etc. Prameha Pidaka Pandu Vidradhi Gulma Arshas Shosha Shofa Garavisha Udara Roga Shwasa Kasa Krimi Vriddhi Pliha Vata Rakta Pushta Unmada Apasmar. And Kushta Unmada, this is also strange. Kushta and Unmada to be taken together or something like that. Anyway, this Dhanvantara Krita is available. Dhanvantara Taila is from this Vagvat Shari second chapter. But Dhanvantara Krita is available and this is for Prameha only. Quite Ushna Tikshna. So it is containing Bhallataka as well. So maybe taken for Upodravas of Prameha, not only Pidaka, but kidney failure, Agnimandya and leading to Udara or something like that, that would be a better choice than Mantara Gupta to use. But it is very Ushna Tikshna and maybe creating Virechana as such. पर्पण रसोन मुंडा शक्रलता यक्षदृक् स्वरसे कृष्णाद्विजीरकैः साज्यं चित्रातैल समन्वितं सिद्धम् वृद्ध्यरं चोद्दिष्टं सपदि प्रलेपपानाभ्याम्। पर्पण पर्पट है। कृष्णाद्विजीरक, दिस इज कल्क द्रव्य, गोघृत, चित्रतैल एरंड, पर्पण, व्हाट इज पर्पण? रसोन मुंडा वरकमुंडी शक्रलता काकादनी यक्षदृक् कुबेराक्ष। वृद्ध्यरंच उद्दिष्टम सपदि प्रलेपपानाभ्याम। So this is can be used for lepa as well. Parpanadikrita. We are used for you also in Shamana Sneha, Mahakalyanaka, Dhanvantarakrita. Yeah, that is true. So Dhanvantarakrita is available and this is quite Pushta Tikshna. There is no doubt about it. Many times diabetic neuropathy. So, okay. Vriddhi. The only Falashruti of this is Vriddhi. Varnadikrita, Varnuchitra Balendrilata Bhaya, Hapusha Yakshad Druk Hoga, Agni Kanaushadaihi, Sakulatha Rasona Suradrunaihi, Parishrute Salile Trikana Oshanaihi, Lavana Jiraka Hinguvala Gata, Maricha Chavya Suradruma Dityakaihi, Rutam अधोरुबुतैल समन्वितं सकल वृद्धि उदर आमय गुल्मन। वृद्धि संप्राप्ति comment please. Difficult to say right now. Generally we are seeing cases of antravriddhi and there are mutravriddhi, vatavriddhi cases as well. And if there is a bulge in that ligminal region and it subsides on its own, then this is treatable for us. But if it descends to testes and is not reduced on its own, then this is something which we may refer to surgeon for that. I had 2 cases of strangulation hernia which had to be treated surgically, and then there are problems as regards the outcome. So when to treat and when not to treat, this is again a big issue. And if the patient comes in the age of 50-60, it might be worth to treat when they are 70. And if strangulation occurs, then it's a difficult thing to do. So in that situation, it is better to operate at first. Now even operation, after operation there are recurrences in certain patients. though a mesh is put or hernioplasty, herniorrhaphy, etc. done. And there are differences of opinion what way to operate. So we may try to find honest surgeon for this who is expert in this, and then only go for this kind of process. I had a small baby, actually 1.5 year, with this herniation and persistent vomiting, absolute constipation, severe severe pain, and he had a vomit in front of me when he had come to my house. So she was his mother was my student. I asked that this is serious. I had not seen any case of strangulation hernia till then. But you better consult a surgeon. She went to a nearby hospital, wherein they just give saline and waited. And at 2 o'clock in the night, they said, no, this is not in our hands. You have to shift to some big hospital. Then the baby was shifted to Sanjeevan Hospital here and was operated at 3 o'clock by a pediatric surgeon, Mrs. Karve. Fortunately, he was saved, and now he is, I think, 23, 24 years old. So I read an article journal of ABS Kottakkal founder treated emergency hernia just with Dhanvantara Tail. That is fine if it is so, but I don't have much clinical experience about this. There was a strange story. Dhanvantara? माहितीवरनं. Just I had information that the strangulation hernia, absolute constipation is one of the cardinal symptoms, and this intestinal obstruction occurs. But this might be an exception if it has been treated with this. There was one strange case reported by Dr. Shahade that this is again old story, 60, 70 years before, that a child, again, baby, small baby, 1.5 years or so, came to him, or not him, I suppose, some surgeon, senior surgeon. And at that time, this operation was not being done. And he diagnosed that this is strangulation hernia with intestinal obstruction and nothing can be done. So the mother of the baby asked what actually has happened. And then he said that the intestine has come down and has got obstructed into this inguinal region. Then the mother had some different thought. She hold the child upside down for 2 hours continuously. And somehow this strangulation got resolved and the baby was saved. So surgeon was astonished that he couldn't think of this kind of thing, and the mother did it. But it is the love and affection that makes you think. That is the most important thing. There was another episode of this kind, not actually this, but Anya with Dhanvantara Tail 101 आवृत्ति. Okay, that we try to remember. Gandharvastadi Tail is mostly used in hernia. That is also fine. I am using Sukumaraka Gruta from this, not Gandharvasnadi Tail. Surgery strangulation tail Palashruti has this use in Ashtanga Hridaya. सर्जरीने strangulation सोडवणे काय अवघड होते? I don't understand what you are saying. There can be complications, and particularly this intestinal obstruction may lead to peritonitis and some other things, and then there are chances of death. Dhanvantara Taila Falashruti has this use in Ashtanga Hridaya. Okay, fine. So I was going to tell about that story that a lady was standing in the gallery and her son was beneath a car repairing something, and somehow the axle broke, and the whole weight of that car was shifted onto his body. And she was looking at this. She rushed down and lifted the car and rescued her son. So the weight of the car was 2,400 kg. Now, doctors said, or medical science says, that a man is not capable of lifting 2,400 kgs at all. He doesn't have that capacity at all. But now this was an experience that this has happened actually. Then the doctors asked her, "How could you lift that car?" Her answer was, "Can I see my son dying like this?" Nobody can see it like that. So the power of the mind. This is again a very good example regarding the power of the mind. And I remember having visited a patient in emergency with Dopeshwar circle having severe abdominal pain, vomiting, no mala, pravrutti, no vata nissarana. He was diagnosed intestinal intussusception and advised surgery. Sir gave him udara hingulep and also Gudavarti, and he could avoid operation. Now, there are cases like this with me as well in other intestinal obstructions, maybe due to colon cancer and rectal cancer as such, or some other cancer, maybe ovarian cancer with intestinal obstruction. So every time it is not possible to say whether the patient will survive or not. These are very typical cases, and दिस इज फाइन. आदिवासी लोक हरण्याच्या जागेवर तंबाखूचे पान ओले करून बांधतात. रुग्णाला भरपूर उलट्या होतात. ती कमी होते असं. This is strange. So whether it creates vomiting, this is something strange. Generally we think of Vatanulomana. There is one strange case described in Nivada Guru Chikitsa book in Marathi. There was a patient of intestinal obstruction, and everybody was thinking of Pachana and Anulomana. So Hingu Chadi, Hingashtak Churna, etc. were being used. Patient was not getting relief. And some Vaidya thought that this is Pitta Pradhana because there were symptoms of Pitta, Daha, etc. So instead of this, they shifted to Shita Lepa and Shita Aushadhi. And then gradually the obstruction was removed and patient was saved. So ultimately for us, we have to look for what is Ayurvedic diagnosis, which dosha is involved, and then we may think of a particular drug. and still we have to differentiate between Dhanvantari Adhikar and Chikitsakanubhav, Kai Chikitsa Adhikar. And the borderline is very faint. So it all depends on your experience and your judgment, not only experience, your judgment, when to continue with it and when to refer the case to a surgeon or something like that. So I have been dealing with these kinds of cases, particularly for cancer, and as I said, colon cancer or some other cancer leading to obstruction. In this, the case we treated in Punarvasu, it was ovarian cancer that was obstructing this intestine, leading to intestinal obstruction. And one case I treated in Ahmedabad was also ovarian cancer, and she was saved with the Aragvada Kashai. So we may collect experiences about this and try to understand how. Hmm? व्हायला पाहिजे. At least Vatanuloman should happen. Then the pain is relieved or something. Can't say if this constipation is relieved or Vatanuloman happens, then there are chances that the patient would survive. Otherwise, it's a difficult task to say. So Varunachitra Bala, Indralata, Abhaya, Hapusha, Yaksha Druk, I suppose, Agnikanaushadahi. Trikana, Pippali, Pippali, Mula, Gaja Pippali. So this is rather strange. Okay. Lavana, Trikana, Ushana. They has not taken Ushana. It should be Maricha. So Trikana is Pippali, Pippali, Mula, and Gaja Pippali. But Ushana is also there. That might be Shunti, that might be Maricha, but generally Ushana is just Maricha. Lavana, Jiraka, Hingu, Bala, Jata, Jata Mausi. Maricha is there again. Maricha is already there. So Ushana might be something different. Chavya, Devdaru, Deepyaka, Ajamoda. This is the Kalkadravya. Gurta Vanprastha, Rubutaila Vanprastha. So this is actually Mishraka Sneha, not only Gruta, Erenda and these. Grutam Adhorubutailam. That might be Atha Urubutailam. Varuna Chitra Erenda Mula Bala Indra Lata Abhaya Hapusha Yakshadruk Kuberaksha Agni Kana Aushadhi Shunti Kulatha Rasona and Suradruma Devdaru Kashai. Ushana take us as Sheetalachini in Hindi. Okay. Difficult to say over here. Prepare with the above Kalka, Sneha, etc. All types of Vidradi, Udara, and Gulma. So Varunadi Gruta is available whether this is this part. I was supposing this Varuna Sairaka Yugma Shatavari Dahana Morata Bilu Vishanika, the Varunadi Gada. Okay. So that is not the part. And that part is not available. Varuna Sairaka Yugma Shatavari. वर्णादि कपम वेदो मंदाग्नित्वम नेक्षिते आठिवातम शिवशूलम गुरुमम शांतस्य वित्रधिम. That is Varnadighruta. And now what is this? Varunadi and Varnadi. Is there a difference? Here it is Varunadi. No difference. So that part is not available. That is to be understood. So we may have to think about this. Kalyanaka Ghruta. This part is not available. Varunadi Ghruta Patha from Ashtanga Hridaya only. Okay. This part is not available. So what we are getting is Varunadi Ghruta. That is Varunasa Ereka Yugma Shatavari. Okay. Then what I was doing was proper. वरा विशाला मुस्थैला देवदार्वेद वालुकैः द्विसारिवाद्विरजनिर्विस्थिरा फलिनीनतैः बृहति कुष्ठमण्डिष्ठा नागकेशरदाडिमैः वेल्लतालीसपत्रैला मालती मुकुलोत्पलैः सदन्ति पद्मकहिमैः कर्षांशैः सर्विषपचे प्रस्थं भूतग्रहोन्माद श्वासापस्मार पाप्मचित् पांडव कुष्ठे विषे शोषे मेहे मोहज्वरे गरे अरैतसे अल्परजसी दैवोपहत चेतसि अमेधसि स्खलद्वाचि स्मृति कामेल्पपावके बल्यं मांगल्यम आयुष्यम कांति सौभाग्य पुष्टिदम कल्याणकमिदं सर्वे श्रेष्ठं पुंसवनेषु च. So this is very important Ghruta as such. Svara, Trifala, Vishala, Indravarani, Kaunti, Devdaru, Elavaluka, Visariva, two types of Svariva, Dvirajani, Visthira, Falini, Parindu, Natatagara, बृहती कुष्ठ मंजिष्ठा नाके शरद आडिम वेल्ल विडंग तालीसपत्र एला मालती मुकुल उत्पल दंती पद्मक हिम चंदन one karsha is Ghruta, one prastha. Prepare kashaya with the above kalka dravyas. So the same kashaya from the same kalka dravyas to be used. Prepare Ghruta with the above drugs with kalka, sneha and drava dravyas taken in the specified quantity. पांडु कुष्ठ विष शोष मेह मोह ज्वर गर विष शुक्र क्षय आर्तव क्षय मनो व्यथ बुद्धिनाश वचानाश. What is वचानाश? अल्पवाच स्मृति बल्य मंगल्य आयुष्य कांति सौभाग्य पुष्टि. So what I feel right now, this is Prasthanbhuta Grahonmada. The beginning of the Kalashruti is Bhuta Grahonmada. So this is very typical. The name itself is typical, Kalyanaka Bhuta. So Kalyanaka is making Kalyana, and that is why it is more important as such. पांडव कुष्ठे विषे शोषे मेहे मोह ज्वरे गरे. सो पांडु कुष्ठ विष शोष मेह मोह ज्वर दर अरेतसी अल्परजसी. Shukra, Alpa, and Alparajas. So this is again a very common problem. I'm using Mahakalyanaka thing on such cases as such. And Daivopahata Chetasi. This is again very peculiar. That's something associated with the past life as such. Amedhasi Skaladvachi. So in Amedha Skaladvach, Smriti Kame Alpa Vachake. Alpa Pavake, I think that was the Balyam Mangalyam Ayushyam Kanti Saubhagya Pushkidam. So these are peculiar Falashrutis, and I think I will talk about this Gruta elaborately because I'm using in practically every patient of cancer and in many other patients as well about this. I'm using Mahakalyanak actually. But anyway, we'll think about this more elaborately tomorrow. Let us conclude over here. I have received PDF files on push. Okay. Vara Vishalyadi Kashai is also available. We are also using Mahakalyanaka Churna. Rasik Power started using it. I am also using Mahatiktaka Churna. So on push. So that is also fine. So Ishta Pumsamane Shusha, that is also there. And I am giving on Pusha Nakshatra as well, either Palasarpi or this. Anyway, we'll talk about this tomorrow. So I have received this Patanjali Yoga Sutra with Vachaspati Mishra and Vyasavarsha. That is one thing in Sanskrit. Then English translation of this, and another English translation by Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda, and another Hindi translation. These are all available in PDF form. The only what remains is Marathi translation, and I think it is not available in the PDF form, but text book we have to use. But anyway, that should be fine. We were thinking of starting this from next Wednesday, which is actually Ashadi Ekadashi, but the day is not very good, Anishta Divas or something like that. So Mangalwar, that is Tuesday, is a fine day. So we'll begin with this on Tuesday afternoon, next week, and 3:30 to 4:30, and we'll continue with this on Wednesday. So for this week, it will be Tuesday and Wednesday, and from next week's onward, that will be Monday and Wednesday. So anyway, how long it will take, I don't know, but it may take quite long period. And our basic objective is understanding. So, and then practically putting it into our daily practices. So we have to think about this. I think the part is same from Ashtanga Hridaya and over here. One may compare, and Kalyanaka and Mahakalyanaka both available from Ashtanga Hridaya. Yeah, that is true. So we have to think about this. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः।